সতর্ক হন, আপনি কি ফ্ল্যাট বা প্লট কিনেছেন অথবা কেনার পরিকল্পনা করছেন? তাহলে আগে নিশ্চিত হয়ে নিন প্রকল্পটি ত্রিপুরা রিয়েল এস্টেট রেগুলেটরি অথরিটি অর্থাৎ টি-রেরার রেজিস্ট্রেশন আছে কিনা। এখনো পর্যন্ত টি-রেরা 203টি রিয়েল এস্টেট প্রকল্পের রেজিস্ট্রেশন দিয়েছে। বিগত কয়েক বছরে 33 জন রিয়েল এস্টেটের গ্রাহক প্রতারিত হওয়ার পর টি-রেরা অফিসে অভিযোগ নথিভুক্ত করেন, যার মধ্যে 31টি মামলায় সুষ্ঠু নিষ্পত্তি করেছে টি-রেরা। বিস্তারিত জানতে যোগাযোগ।
The 29th meeting of the Northeastern Power Committee, one of the most important coordination meetings for the power sector in the Northeastern region, was held in Guwahati on Friday. State Power Minister Ratan Nath made a remarkable speech in today's power sector meeting. Minister Ratan Nath speaks out at Guwahati's power sector meeting. Tripura saves Northeast by rejecting gas price hike proposal. In this meeting, State Power Minister Ratan Nath expressed his firm through his well-informed and well-planned speech. He freed not only Tripura but the entire Northeast India states for a huge financial burden. The day before, in the technical committee meeting, a proposal was made to increase the gas price for the OTPC Palatana power project. If implemented, it will have put a huge financial burden on consumers not only in Tripura but also in the entire Northeast. But Power Minister Ratan Nath has come out against the proposal, saying it is not only unreasonable but also against the public interest. The burden of crores of rupees of additional expenditure will be placed on the shoulders of the people, which is unacceptable. Due to his strong stance, the Northeastern Power Committee was forced to reject the proposal.
Probably yesterday in the technical session, I got information reserve generation regarding generation reserve estimation. Reserve generation as proposed by NLDC for Tripura as 13%. That is around 30 to 35 megawatt. With respect to average demand is 320 megawatt. Is very much higher in respect to other larger states of India. As example, UP is 3.62%. Tamil Nadu is 4.42%. Average country reserve estimation is 5%. The infrastructure of Tripura power system is totally based on gas thermal generation. Moreover, gas constraint is being faced nowadays, so it is proposed to review the matter, the reserve generation of Tripura. Otherwise, end consumers of Tripura will be affected. Another most probably discussed here, blending gas rate of OTPC. The proposed gas blending, Tripura is totally based on gas. The proposed gas blending rate from OTPC is rupees 7.70 per unit, is very much higher than the present market rate. Present market rate around the clock is rupees 5.50 per unit. Capped rate by the gas is rupees 6.80 per unit as per Ministry of Petroleum, Government of India. Ultimately, and consumers of Tripura will be affected. This issue to be resolved bilaterally. It is not possible, as because already Minister of Petroleum already mentioned, and few days back in our state, huge repercussion regarding gas price, and we are depending only gas. Alternative, no other in our state. We are giving importance on especially solar, based on solar. And recently, rooftop solar production under PM Surjagor within few months has touched 2 megawatt in the Tripura state. So, in case of gas rate and that is reserved generation reserve estimation, kindly from our forum, it should be unitedly, it should be placed proper place. Thanks everybody. Jai Hind.
Tripura is no longer a power deficit state. Rather, it is emerging on the national map as a renewable energy reliant and future-ready state. The day of the meeting in Guwahati was therefore a historic one, not only for the power sector but also for Tripura. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.